All right, so we just got into the studios, and today our special guest is Diane Thomas. Now, Diane Thomas is from Monticello, Utah, and got discovered and became a regular on the Today Show in New York City for 8 years. She's been on over 5,000 TV shows and radio shows. So she's our special guest today, going to teach us how to basically survive creatively. Roughing It Easy is the name of her book, but survive creatively out in the wilderness if we were ever to need to rough it easy. So we're going to expect her to come into the studios and share a bunch of cool things, which I think you guys will really enjoy. So definitely keep watching. I think the one that excites me the most is she took ground beef and put it in an onion and then bakes it in a fire. So this is like recipes when you're camping. So roughing it easy.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
I love this so much.
Right?
So you wrote this?
Yeah. She wrote all these books.
Yeah.
She's the author of all these books.
Really?
Here's the original one that's really got tons of.
Oh, wow.
Yeah?
Were 10 reviews.
Really?
9 of them had 5 stars.
No way.
Heck yeah. Heard me just for a second.
This?
Yeah, because I found it.
In the book?
Yeah.
No way.
So I just cut to it in the book, and they look identical almost. I love it.
We'll go get water in that one.
During this time, she also appeared on several times on the ABC Good Morning America and numerous other national and local television programs. She's still a sought-after presenter, speaker, and television personality, and I am lucky enough to have her here in the studios.
Well, you were one of my students.
Yes.
And actually, you were my star student.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. So Diane Thomas is my mentor, one of my mentors as far as entertainment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how to do television, how to do radio, how to do magazines. And
Yes.
here you are. You have your own show.
And I have my own show now.
That's great.
And for those that don't know, it's looking like I'm going to be on Good Things Utah in January.
Nice.
Yes.
Talk about the 3 top things, because, I told you I did over 5,000 talk shows.
Yeah.
And you soon learn what they like. And
Yes.
this one is how to start a fire with, if you have a flashlight with you and you have a little steel wool,
Yeah.
you can start a fire.
Interesting.
See the steel wool on the bottom, and then light the battery.
Amazing.
And it takes off.
So we are filming this again, guys. So you will definitely on Monday want to come to our YouTube channel and check out the show, and you can see the visuals of what we're doing right now. This is incredible. Bailey, grab the gasoline.
I've got a couple of. Are you ready for more? Or do you
I am ready for more. And you were going to talk about the one that intrigues me the most because I love.
Oh, the meatloaf and
Yes.
onion. Okay.
Yes.
Meatloaf and onion. I take an onion that's about the size of a softball.
Okay.
A little bigger than a hardball.
Okay.
Softball.
Okay.
Cut off the root.
Okay.
Then peel off the outside of the onion.
Okay.
Okay. Then cut through the middle.
Okay.
So when
Right
you
in
open
half.
it up, you've got half of a. I mean, it's you can pop out half.
Gotcha.
Pop out the other half, and then take a seasoned hamburger. But I sometimes just put hamburger with a little salt and pepper in it.
Yeah.
Put it in there and put it back together. Then put it on your foil. So you want the foil to be, probably 2 or 3 inches on both sides.
Got it.
Longer, maybe a little bit longer. In there.
Okay.
Put the onion in that,
Yeah.
and then bring it up to the top. Roll it down in small folds. And I use 18-inch foil is the best.
Okay.
Flatten it on both sides. Then roll that up.
Yep.
And on the other side, we'll roll that up.
Okay.
And then you've got a little package like this. Now, we have a video guy.
Yes.
Here. I put an apple in here, but literally, well, you could bake the apple in here. That would be
yeah.
fine. But I literally put the meatloaf and onion in that. Put it down on the coals and 15 minutes on each side.
Okay.
So I have everybody mark theirs with a magic marker.
Yeah.
When you take that out, if you have a salad, you got a dinner.
Wow.
And then I take the number 10 can like this, and I'll take a gallon. So I'll take a gallon plastic bag.
Okay.
Ziploc bag.
Yep.
If you'll put ice, if you have ice.
Yes.
But if you have a cooler, you got ice. Put it
Yes.
on the bottom. Open up the bag, and make your salad right inside of this. So you put
great idea.
Put this around the outside.
Yeah.
Like this, and then you've got your salad inside the can.
Yeah.
In your can, you use that later to make ice cream. And then the problem I have, now not in the fall, but because the flies aren't around, but
Yeah.
But what you do then to keep the flies off is I take an embroidery hoop
Oh my
and I put
gosh.
saran wrap in between the embroidery hoop, and you can put on top of it, and you can see the food inside, but the flies can't get in.
That is genius.
Isn't that good?
That is so good.
I think it's time we wash our hands since we've been cooking. I have to show you that.
Yes.
I brought a bleach bottle.
I'm excited to see this.
It's just a Clorox jug.
Okay.
And I have painted a face on it and put a rope on the back of it.
Okay.
And then also took nylon sock and put soap inside the sock.
Oh, nice.
So you've got a hand wash. You can wash your hands.
Yeah.
Now the thing is, you have to get it wet. So this will literally hang from a tree. And the key is if you've made the hole really small,
Yeah.
and the lid is on there tight, then the water will not run out.
Oh my gosh, genius.
Because it's like when you suck water into a straw
Yeah.
and put your tongue over it when you're a kid,
Yep.
and then you let the tongue off,
Yeah.
the water runs out.
Exactly.
The same principle here. So when you want to turn on the water, you just unscrew the lid.
That is so cool. That is so freaking cool.
Isn't that fun?
That
So
is
here-
so fun.
I think we should probably tell you how to make ice cream in a tin can.
I would love to know how to make ice cream.
Okay.
Is this just like a coffee can? Just
Yeah.
Okay.
It's what we call a number 10 can. If
number
anybody
10.
has emergency food,
Okay.
it would be in one of these cans. But then I take a 1-pound size coffee can,
Okay.
and that has a lid.
Okay.
And then you put 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of milk,
Okay.
and about 1/4 of a cup of sugar.
Okay.
You want the mixture to fill the can. This is a 1-pound size coffee can, about half full.
Okay.
You don't want it more than that. Put the lid back onto it. Put this can inside of the larger can. And
Okay.
as you can see,
Yep.
you got about 1 inch around the side of that. We'll let him zoom in on that so
Yeah.
that all of you at home can see that.
Exactly.
And then, Yoshi, you can see.
Yes.
So then you put the chunk ice in between that, and this is where you teach your kids. If you were just to roll that back and forth, it would not make ice cream in the middle can.
Okay.
So the magic ingredients is salt.
Oh.
When you put, and I just use ice cream salt.
Yeah.
Or the salt that you could use the salt that you salt your driveway with.
Oh. Okay.
Because the can it has a lid on it.
Sure.
So when you put that on the ice, it chemically drops the temperature of the ice down to the point that you can make ice cream in the tin can.
Interesting. Wow.
How is that?
That is amazing.
Then you put the lid on top of that, and then we go out and you I call it kick the can ice cream. You just roll it back and forth. Or kids can kneel down and roll it back and forth to each other.
Yeah.
You roll that can back and forth for about 15 minutes. It will actually freeze, remember, because the salt causes the ice to drop its temperature. You open it up and it's half of it's frozen around the edge and the other half is liquid, so you just take the outside with a knife and then mix it with the other and you have perfect ice cream.
Amazing.
Isn't that fun?
That is so fun. Diane Thomas brought a shower into the studio, which
Yeah.
she's going to show right now. So
You take an umbrella, open it up and turn the umbrella upside down. And the distance between the holes in an umbrella and I'm sorry. Here we go.
Yeah.
I don't want you to miss this.
Yeah.
You take an umbrella, open it up,
Yep.
and the distance between the holes in the shower curtain and the prongs in the umbrella are exactly the same.
That's amazing.
So it takes a little over a shower. In fact, I was reading in one of the reviews of my book, they said go to your dollar store and buy 2 light shower curtains.
Wow.
And that works perfect. So I got that out of the
Yeah.
reviews for my book last night.
Right.
But anyway, you put that together and hook it on a tree like this.
That's
And
amazing.
you've got a room to take your shower
She
in.
just walked into the shower, ladies
Yeah.
and gentlemen. We have come to the end of our show. Diane, thank you so much for coming in and
You're
sharing.
welcome. My pleasure.
I really appreciate it. You guys have been listening to K-Talk Radio, 1640 AM, the show Utah Home Sweet Home. Again, go to roughingiteasy.com. Also go to utahhomesweethome.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the YouTube link. We will have this video up on there shortly, and you can check out all of these wonderful things. And I hope all of you have a spectacular rest of the day. All right, that was incredible.
No, that was
I kept
awesome.
waiting for you to take a break. No breaks.
Nope, didn't. I was like, I want to get all this in.
Well, I think we got a lot in, didn't we?
Okay, before we part ways, in case you have a dog or know someone else who does have a dog, I wanted to take a quick second to show you the Snap Leash. The Snap Leash can literally do so many things. and I'm going to share with you one of the many cool things that it can do. As you can see, the snap leash is designed with 2 swivel hooks, one on each end. This end has a cushion stitched into it to make it comfortable when walking your dog. Now, all you have to do is take this swivel hook, put it into this very first grommet, and now you've got your handle. Okay, so now let's imagine you're at the park and you want to secure your pet quickly, safely, and easily to a park bench, a tree, or a pole because you just want to sit down and relax. Well, all you need to do is take this swivel hook, remove it from the very first grommet, wrap this leash around any size tree or pole or park bench, and put it into the appropriate grommet, and now you have secured your pet quickly, safely, and easily. And when it's time to head home, another great feature about the snap leash is you can simply wrap it around your waist for hands-free walking. Lastly, if you ever accidentally forget your waist bags at home, these grommets make a great place to fasten the waist bags so you never leave home without them. And if you want to see all of the other cool things that the snap leash can do, then please just click on the link below and find out why so many others are falling in love with the snap leash.